Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make corn chowder using the air fryer. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. I'm going to start with 4 corn in the cobs. I'm just going to spray them with some cooking oil and then I'm going to rub it in all over and we'll just place those on a wire rack. Then it's over to the air fryer. We're going to put these on for 10 minutes to cook at 180 degrees centigrade or until the corn just is starting to brown on the outside. Meanwhile, we're going to spray a large saucepan with a little oil and we're going to place it onto a medium-high heat. To this I'm adding 4 bacon medallions that I've chopped up. Cook the bacon for 6 to 8 minutes until it's crispy, then remove it from the pan and set it to the side. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. It does help me make further videos for you. Now to the saucepan I'm going to add 1 finely diced onion, 1 red pepper that's been deseeded and finely diced, 2 cloves of crushed garlic. We'll stir that around and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the onion is softened. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoonfuls of plain flour, stir well and cook for a further minute just to remove the flour taste. Now add 3 potatoes that have been diced and 1.5 litres of chicken or vegetable stock and stir well. Meanwhile, remove the corn from the air fryer and slice the corn kernels off from the cob. Set the kernels to the side and add the cobs to the pan. We'll simmer that for 10 minutes and then we'll remove the corn cobs. Now add the roasted corn kernels to the pan along with 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir well and leave that for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's serve the corn chowder. I serve mine in a bowl along with some brown bread, topped with the bacon bits and some finely sliced spring onions. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and watch to the end for more of my videos.